Management Accounting for final year BCom students as per Bangalore University, presented by Umarani, faculty of Ajay's First Grade College. Good morning. Important points to be noted in cash flow statement. Increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities should be deducted. Decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities should be added. Each adjustment should be recorded twice. Provision for tax and proposed dividend should be recorded carefully. Net profit calculation is important. Now let us begin with problems. First one, from the following balance, calculate cash from operation. December 31st. They have given particulars 2017-2018. Under particulars, bills receivable, debtors, bills payable, creditors, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income, income received in advance, profit made during the year has been given. This question has been asked in May 2019 question paper for 6 marks. Now let us analyze the statement. Bills receivable is a current assets, debtor current assets, bills payable current liabilities, creditors current liabilities, outstanding expenses current liabilities, bills preliminary expenses current assets, accrued income current assets, income received in advance current liabilities. Add increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities less increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities respectively. Computation of cash from operation. Particulars, inner column amount and outer column amount. Net profit during the year. Add bills receivable, bills payable, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, less debtors, creditors, accrued income, income received in advance. You will get cash from operation. Second problem. Glory Company Limited had a profit of rupees 3,60,000 for the year ended 31st March 2015 after taking into consideration the following. Depreciation on machinery rupees 24,000, goodwill written off rupees 8,000, loss on sale of machinery rupees 2,000, and details of current assets and current liabilities are as follows. Particulars 2014-2015. Under particulars they have given stock, cash, debtors, creditors, outstanding rent, bills payable, bills receivable. From the above information, calculate the cash from operation. You are supposed to calculate cash from operation. Stock, current assets, debtors current assets, creditors current liabilities, outstanding rent current liabilities, bills payable current liabilities, bills receivable current assets. Similar to previous problem, add and deduct. From the net profit you will get cash from operation. Net profit before tax. Add depreciation of machinery, goodwill written off, loss on sale of machinery. You will get operating profit before working capital changes. For that you are supposed to add debtors and creditors less stock, bills receivable, outstanding rent, bills payable. You will get cash from operation. Third problem, similar to second problem, It is asked in May 2017 paper for 6 marks. Glory Company add profits of rupees 3,60,000 for the year ended 31st March 2015 after adjusting the following: depreciation, goodwill, loss. Details of current assets and current liabilities are given below. Particulars 2016-2017. Under particulars, stock, cash, debtors, creditors, outstanding rent, bills payable, bills receivables are given. From the above, calculate cash flow from operating activities using indirect method. For net profit, you are supposed to add depreciation, goodwill, loss on sale of building. You will get operating profit before working capital less items, that is increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities. Add increase in current liabilities and decrease in current assets. You will get cash flow from operation, that is 4 lakh. Fourth problem. Following are the summarized balance sheet of ESS Limited as on December 31st, 2009 and 2010. Particulars 2009-2010. Under particulars, they have given liabilities, share capital, general reserve, profit and loss account, bank loan, it is long term, creditors, provision for tax, assets, land and building, machinery, stock, debtors, cash, bank, goodwill. Adjustment they have given: dividends of rupees 11,500 was paid. Assets of another companies were purchased for a consideration of rupees 30,000 payable in shares. The following assets were purchased, that is stock and machineries. By raising shares, you are purchasing stock and machineries. Next one, machinery was further purchased for rupees 4,000. Depreciation written off on machinery 6,000. Income tax provided during the year 16,500. Loss on sale of machinery rupees 100 was written off to the general reserve. You are required to prepare cash flow statement under indirect method as per accounting standard. In adjustment, they have given dividends, shares, machinery, income tax and general reserve. Hence, you are preparing respective ledger accounts to calculate cash flow. First one, share capital account. By balance brought down, by machinery account, by stock account. To balance carried down, balancing figure is goodwill. Land and building account, to balance brought down, by balance carried down, by depreciation balancing figure. Machinery account, to balance brought down, by balance carried down, to share capital purchased through shares. By depreciation, by general reserve, that is loss on sale 100. To purchases made, and by sale balancing figure. General reserve account, by balance brought down, to balance carried down. To machinery account, that is loss on sale, by profit and loss account, that is balancing figure. Next one, provision for tax account. 2, income tax paid by balance brought down to balance carried down by profit and loss account. Here income tax paid is a balancing figure. Next one, goodwill account by balance brought down nil, by balance carried down 7,500, to share capital account 7,500. Next one, statement showing cash flow as on 31st December 2010. First, we have to calculate cash flow from operating activities. Next, investing activities. Later, financing activities. For operating activities, we have to calculate net profit. For that, we are supposed to add dividend, depreciation, general reserve, provision for tax, purchase of stock against issue of shares. You will get operating profit before working capital. Add decrease in stock, debtors, decrease in creditors. You will get cash generated from operation less tax paid during the year. Provision for tax already taken for the calculation of operating profit. Again, it has been recorded. Just make a note. You will get net cash from operating activities. Next, cash flow from investing activities. Investing, it is related to fixed assets. Purchase of fixed assets and sale of fixed assets. Under this, they have given purchase of machinery, sale of machinery. You will get net cash used in investing activities. Purchases should be deducted, whereas sales should be added. Next one, cash flow from financing activity. Loans paid should be deducted, dividend paid should be deducted. You will get net cash from financing activity. Net increase in cash equivalents. For that, you are supposed to add opening balance of cash. You will get closing balance of cash and cash equivalents. That is 4,300. If opening and closing balance is tallying, it means your problem is correct for 14 marks. Question 5. Following are the balance sheet of Sunshine Company Limited as on 31st March 2014 and 31st March 2015. Particulars 2014-2015. Under particulars, liabilities, share capital, general reserve, profit and loss account, creditors, provision for taxation, loan, that is short-term loans, assets, fixed assets, investment, stock, debtors, bank. Transactions are being given. Additional informations. Investment costing rupees 8,000 was sold during the year 2015 for rupees 8,500. Provision for taxation made during the year 2015 was rupees 9,000. During the year 2015, part of the fixed asset costing rupees 10,000 was sold for rupees 12,000. The profit was included in P&L account. Next one, dividend paid during the year 2015 was rupees 40,000. This question was asked in May 2015 question paper. Now let us solve the problem. Provision for taxation, investment, fixed assets, ledgers should be prepared for the following problem. Cash flow from operating activities, add adjustments and deduct the adjustment so that you will get cash from activities. Then cash flow from investing activities less purchases, add sales, you will get cash from investing activities. Cash flow from financing activities less interim dividend paid and tax paid. Add opening balance of cash and cash equivalents, you will get closing balance of cash and cash equivalents. The following ledgers are being prepared. Sixth problem. Following are the summarized balance sheet of a company as on 31st March 2017 and 31st March 2018. This question is being asked in May 2018 question paper for 14 marks. Particulars 2017-2018. Liabilities. Under liabilities, share capital, general reserve, profit and loss account, long-term loan, creditors, provision for tax. Assets. Under assets, land and building, machinery, debtors, stock, cash, goodwill has been given. Additional information, dividend of rupees 4,600 was paid. Asset of another company purchased where machinery rupees 5,000, stock rupees 4,000 and goodwill rupees 1,000 by issuing equity shares. Following assets were purchased. Machinery was further purchased for cash rupees 1,600. Depreciation written off machinery rupees 2,400. Income tax paid rupees 7,000. Loss on sale of machinery rupees 400. Prepare cash flow statement as per accounting standard indirect method. You are supposed to prepare machinery account, provision for taxation account, share capital account. Later on, you are supposed to calculate cash from operating activities, cash from investing activities, cash from financing activity. Under operating activities for net profit, you should add depreciation, general reserve, provision for taxation and dividend paid. You will get operating profit before working capital. For that, you should add increase in current liabilities and decrease in current assets. Less increase in current assets and decrease in current liability. You will get operating cash flow. Cash flow from investing activities, purchase of machineries should be deducted. Cash flow from financing activity, payment of loans should be deducted. Payment of dividends should be deducted. Any payments made is a loss in terms of cash outflow. You will get net cash flow from financing activities. You're supposed to add opening balance of cash. You will get closing balance of cash. Seventh problem. Following are the balance sheet of ABC Limited as on 31st March 2014 and 31st March 2015. This question is being asked in 2014-15 question paper for 16 marks. Liabilities, they have given share capital, preference share capital, general reserve, profit and loss account, creditors, bills payable, provision for taxation. Assets, goodwill, land and building, plant, stock, debtors, bills receivable, cash. Additional information: dividend paid rupees 40,000. Depreciation written off during the year rupees on land and building rupees 40,000 and plant rupees 20,000. Provision for taxation made during the year 2015 rupees 90,000. Prepare cash flow statement as per accounting standard 3 indirect method. You are supposed to prepare land and building account, plant account and provision for taxation ledger accounts. Later, you are supposed to calculate cash flow statement. Cash flow from operating activities, under that net profit, add depreciation, goodwill written off, general reserves, provision for taxation, dividend paid. Add creditors, less stock, debtors, bills receivable, bills payable. Less income tax paid. You will get net inflow from operating activities. Cash flow from investing activities. Purchases should be deducted. Sales should be added. You will get net cash outflow from investing activity. Next one, cash flow from financing activity, issue of share capital, redemption, dividend. You will get net cash outflow from financing activity. Add cash and cash equivalents at the beginning of the year. You will get cash and cash equivalents at the end of the year. Thank you.